What's going on, guys? This is Vince with vshred.com, and in today's video I'm going to give you the best chest workout for anybody who is trying to fix a muscle imbalance in their pecs. Like I said, in today's video, I'm going to give you a workout for your chest that's going to be perfect for anybody who is trying to fix your muscle imbalance, because a lot of times, most of the time actually, somebody has one pec that is bigger than the other. My actual left pec is a little bit bigger than my right, and so this workout that I'm about to give you is something that I do every now and then to help my right pec just get a little more muscle growth so that I can achieve that symmetry in my chest, and hopefully this will help you as well. Now obviously there's a couple different factors that a muscle imbalance can be caused by. A lot of that could be injury. I broke my collarbone when I was a kid and it caused a lot of scar tissue, caused a stunt of my right pec, and so I deal with a lot of form fixes that I have to make sure I'm doing when I hit my right pec. But for most people it's just genetic, and a very easy way to do this is by doing more reps on one side than the other. That's a very easy way to level the playing field with your pecs, and today's workout is going to be all about doing that. Now, before I get into the workout, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure you are smashing that subscribe button and hitting the little bell next to it. That way you get notified when I post new videos. And if you're looking for more help with getting in shape beyond just leveling out your chest, I do have a free body type quiz that tells you the exact type of diet and workouts that are best for your goals and your body. So if you want to check that out, hit the link right in the description below this video. Watch the video at the end of it, and that's all you got to do. So other than that, let's get in today's workout. So like I said, today's workout is going to be all about evening out your chest. So first things first, you got to figure out which pec you are trying to get bigger than the other. So whichever pec is the smaller pec, that's going to be the one that we're doing a little bit higher of a rep range. And something that we're going to be doing is unilateral movements. So what that means is basically, instead of going double arm, we're not doing any barbell, we're going all dumbbell and all cable, and we're going one arm at a time. So unilateral. So we're going one arm, other arm, or instead you can go all one arm then all the other arm. And so first exercise we're going to be starting with is incline dumbbell chest press. And so we're getting dumbbells, we're getting on the incline bench, and you're getting into starting position, shoulders rolled back, chest out, and then you're going to go 10 reps on the side that is bigger, and you're going to go 15 reps on the side that is smaller. So that extra 5 reps is going to help with more hypertrophy, more muscle building in that smaller pec to help even it out. You're going to rest for 90 seconds after you do those, and then you're going to do that 2 more times for 3 sets total. After that, we're going to go into flat dumbbell press. So no bench press. Like I said, we're not doing any barbell because that's just a fixed position with your hands. With dumbbell, we can have free range of motion, and also you can make sure that you're getting that mind muscle connection when you're doing each side of your chest. And same thing here, we're going 10 reps with the larger side and 15 reps with the side that we're trying to build more. So you're going to go 10, 15, and then you can do those alternating if you want, and then 5 extra at the end, or you can go 10 and then all 15 with that smaller chest side of your chest. And then after that, you're going to rest for 90 seconds again. So 90-second rest the whole time, 3 sets for each of these exercises. After that, we're going to move into an incline cable fly. So, and it's unilateral as well. So all of these are going to be one arm at a time. You're not doing any at the same time. So with this, you're going to get under the cable machine. You're going to put the cables down to the bottom, down at an angle. You're going to put the bench in between it. You're going to put the bench at an angle for that incline. It's going to be meant for your upper chest. You're going to grab both those handles, and then you're going to bring them both together at the top. And then you're going to focus on going one arm at a time, really getting that mind muscle connection. And you're going to go 15 reps with that smaller side, 10 reps with that bigger side. Rest for 90 seconds, repeat that for 3 total sets. After that, we're going to move into a single arm cable crossover. So here, you're not going to be doing it 2 arms you're not going to be holding it with both arms at the same time. Instead, we're going to put the cable to about shoulder height. So you want it to be just about shoulder height, maybe between your shoulder and the bottom of your pec. That way you can come straight across your chest and you are working the muscle fibers directly horizontally. And so here, what you're going to do is you're going to actually set the cable up so that it's slightly behind your body. That way you can press it forward and bring it across at the same time, rather than just right out to the side or back super far where you're going to end up injuring your shoulder. So just behind your body, and then you're going to bring that forward and then across. And you also want to cross the midline, the midplane of your body. You want to go all the way across. You're doing a cable crossover, so you're going all the way and then bring it all the way back. And so you're going to go 15 reps with that smaller side, 10 reps with the bigger side, rest for 90 seconds, repeat for 3 sets. After that, we're going to move into the final exercise, which is going to be a high to low cable fly. So for these, we're actually going to do them both at the same time, just as kind of like a burnout. By now, that smaller pec of yours should be feeling the fatigue because you've done an extra, I don't know how many reps throughout this entire exercise. An extra 5 reps at the end of every single set should have that side pretty fatigued. So here at the end, we're just really going to focus on getting a burnout, pushing both of your pecs until failure. And so you're going to take these cables and you're going to start about at shoulder height. So you don't want them way up here. You want it at about shoulder height. And then from there, you're going to really focus on bringing your elbows down. And then you're going to focus on bringing your elbows together. And also your hands are going to cross each other. So you're going to bring them down, squeeze, cross your hands. Then when you bring them back up and you go into the next one, you're going to cross them the other way. So you're going to be going back and forth with your wrists. That way you just are hitting your chest evenly both ways. You're not going a little more out with one pec the whole time, so that you're doing it right. So you're going to do that for 15 reps. So you're not doing one more than the other, just 15 reps or until failure. If you want to put it to a weight, that 15 reps is going to be failure. But if you put it to a weight and 15 reps isn't failure, go until failure. Do 20, maybe do 25, and then bump up weight and make sure you're failing at around 15 reps. You're going to do that for 3 sets, 90-second rest in between. So the same thing there, and that's going to be the entire workout. So if you are struggling with an imbalance in your pecs, one easy way to balance out your muscles is by doing a couple extra reps with that smaller side to enhance the muscle growth more, to spurt more muscle growth and get more hypertrophy in there. Also, make sure you're focusing on that mind-muscle connection. Another big thing when people do have a muscle imbalance is they don't have a very good mind-muscle connection with that side. So really, as you're doing these unilateral movements, which means just one arm at a time, make sure you are really focusing on squeezing that pec. And so other side you probably have no issue with, but then on that side, really focus on the stretch of the muscle and pressing the muscle and getting that peak contraction at the top, and that's going to help you boost the muscle growth in that smaller pec. So hopefully this helps you out. Let me know down in the comment section what you do to help out with your uneven pecs or muscle imbalances. Also, if you're looking for more chest workouts, I have a whole chest playlist right here, full of workouts, full of form tips, full of best exercises for this, worst exercises for this, so you can go get lost in a bunch of chest videos. But other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.